I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to do a product review on the all-new RS Taichi Urban Winter Gloves. Okay, as of the filming of this video, the Urban Winter Glove retails for $85.95. These things are available in a ton of different colors. Got a cool printed design, different accent colors used. We're showing you the one here, it's got some pops of blue. Here's one that is much more subtle, right? Focusing on the blacks and the grays. Let's talk sizing real quick. I normally wear a 2X in most common gloves. That's what I have on here right now. What I noticed with this glove, it's just a tickle to the snug side. Okay, if you find yourself kind of in between sizes, I would suggest going up to the next size. I think you're gonna get the best fit there. Who is this glove right for? Well, we're at that time of year, those first few rides, they can be kind of brutal when it's chilly out. We're all excited, we want to get out on the bike to begin the season early, or even in the fall to keep the season rolling. A nice short glove like this that has Thinsulate lining, waterproof membrane, that also blocks wind is going to help to keep your hands warmer. Is this a big, heavy-duty parka-style winter glove? Negative, it is not that. This is something you're going to use when you need to take the edge off. It's got a full gaiter up here at the top. It makes getting the glove on just a little bit more challenging, but it also seals it up really good up here so you don't have that cold spot right at the top. It uses a bunch of different materials. We've got Clarino, we've got some cow leather, smartphone compatible. There's grip panels on it. It's stylish, it looks good, it's affordable. Taichi has a great line of gloves, and it's funny because sometimes they get overlooked with all the other brands out there, but they have a great line of gloves, good quality, good fit, and kick-ass styling. This is the Taichi DRYMASTER Urban Short Winter Glove.